but I realized that I waste a lot of time. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Road to Success with Atif. In today's video, I'll explain how to stop wasting time and start taking action. In this video, I'll give you the example of my personal life, and I also give you the motivation how to stop wasting time and start taking action. One of the most important things that we have in life is time. Money can be earned again. Opportunity can come again. Mistakes can be corrected. Time that we spend on social media, on unnecessary things, never come back. The most important thing in our life is the time. The main skill how to manage our time is a best skill in our life. If we know that how to utilize our time on necessary and effective things, we can be successful in our life. We see a lot of people in our life, those who utilize his time taking a good action, learning a new skill, become successful in his life. So stop wasting your time and start taking action. I give you my own example. I spend lot of time on social media, on scrolling Insta, on scrolling Facebook, on scrolling YouTube video. I spend a lot of time on social media. What I learned, now the real work begins, and I don't have a skill. I don't know how to communicate. I don't know how to speak in front of audience, and I don't know how to speak in English. And currently at this age, I am facing difficulties in speaking English also. If I utilize my time on right things, I become more successful today. But now I realize that I wasted a lot of time, but the time will never come back. Everyone has a big dreams. Everyone want to be successful. Everyone want to be a good YouTuber. Everyone want to be a good salesperson. Everyone want to be a good in his life, and everyone wants achievement. But when a person can't utilize his time and the right things, he become unsuccessful. So without wasting your time, start your journey today. Like, I want to be a YouTuber, but I think that when I have a good camera, I started making videos. But I wasted a lot of time in this. Now I don't have a good camera, but I start my journey. I start making videos what I have. So utilize what you have and start taking action instead of overthinking. The overthinking will gradually. One of the biggest reason people wasting time is overthinking. We often ask ourselves, what if I fail? Or what will people say? These questions can stop us before even we begin. When we stop asking these questions from ourselves and taking action, we become more practical and we can make a better decision after making mistakes. So stop thinking what people say about you and start your journey today. Take action, learn, practice, and you become successful in your life. Another reason people do not start is they are waiting for the motivation, but the motivation never comes. When you take a step, you can learn from your mistake and you can move forward. Gradually you become taking small steps and become successful. Or every success you can become more confidence, you take more action, you can learn from your mistakes, and you are unstoppable if you learn and keep practicing. Every step you move forward become closer to your goal. A simple way to wasting your time is that ask yourself, what are the three main tasks I can do today, and start taking action without wasting time. When you complete your task, start from small steps and learn from it, complete it, and then start the other things. So you can complete your task one by one and you get motivated, your confidence will be built, and start today. Take action. Another important thing is that remove unnecessary distractions from your life. Scrolling social media, watching entertainment video, wasting a lot of time, and continuously checking your cell phone can waste a lot of your time. You cannot remove entertainment completely from your life. First you build some skill, first you become successful in your life, then you have a lot of time to use social media, then you have a lot of time to speak with anyone else. What's the distraction in your life? Remove it today and work on learning new skills. Remember that become a successful in your life not happen in overnight. You learn from your mistake, you start practice. If you want to improve your English, you learn new vocabulary words every day. If you want to start a business, you spend 30 minutes or 1 hour learning about that business. These small things will improve your confidence and give you motivation to start your own journey. In my opinion, stop waiting for the right time. There will never be a perfect time to start. You start today. Learn new skills. Work on yourself. Remove every distractions that stop you become successful. Once you do that, you see that there is a great results. You become more good what you want. You become more perfect in your skill. You learn new things. You gradually become closer to your goal, and every steps motivate you, encourage you, and you know if you want to be successful, you have a strong why. If you want to achieve some goals, you must be persistent, patient, and dedicated. Once you start it, there is no power on earth that can stop you. You can achieve your goal until you become successful. Everything will come closer to you, whatever you left behind. So I hope in this video you learn a lot how to stop wasting your time and how you utilize it, make learning new skills, how to be successful in your life. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.